friends, today is the day of love. It is Valentine's Day. We used to present nice gift to our near and dear ones. How about making a cake and present it to your friends and family? They will be very happy. Okay, let's start my baking. Come with me. Preheat your oven to 160 degrees centigrade, which is 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Then I have taken a 12-inch pan, cake pan, and I will spray oil. And then a parchment paper so that I can take out the cake easily. As you can see, and again I'll spray some oil. So now I'll go to our dry ingredients. So this is very easy recipe. First I will make this sponge cake. For the dry ingredients, I need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Here I will be adding baking powder, 1 teaspoon. I think 2 teaspoons of baking powder is good to go. Then I'll mix it. Then I'll go to wet ingredients. I'll keep this dry ingredients aside. And now I'll take a bowl, large bowl, to mix my wet ingredients. So for this, first I need 4 eggs. The egg should be in room temperature. So I have taken 4 large eggs. Now I will beat these eggs. So beat these eggs for around 5 minutes with this electric blender, or you can use hand blender as well. And what I am looking for is the pale yellow color, like this. Then I will be adding sugar. So in this recipe I want 2 cups of sugar. It's better if you can use this icing sugar, or if you don't have it you can just use a normal one. So I will be taking 2 cups of icing sugar. But if you want to make your cake more sweet, you can add a bit more, like 1/4 cup more. So I don't like my cake to be very sweet. Be careful while you will be mixing this sugar because it's powder. After this, I'll be adding vanilla extract. It will give your cake a very nice flavor. So try to use the pure vanilla one because it gives a lots better flavor than the imitated one. So 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then I will be adding 1 cup of oil. You can add here melted butter as well, 1 cup melted butter. But if you keep this cake with butter in your fridge, then it will make your cake hard. But if you use oil instead of butter, your cake remains soft. Now I'll be adding a very special ingredient which is special for this Valentine's Day, that is red color. 1 tablespoon of red color. Now I'm done with my wet ingredients. Now I'll be adding my dry ingredients into the wet and mix them all together. There is my dry ingredients, but don't mix all this flour at a time. Mix part by part. Might be 1/3 at a time. Then mix them again 1/3 of this. Now the next 1/3. Then the last batch of dry ingredients. Now I'll be adding 1/2 cup of milk. The milk should be of room temperature. I want. Now I'll pour this batter to my cake tin. Now it's ready. So my batter is ready to go to the oven and it will be there for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I will check with a toothpick whether my cake is done. See you after 30 minutes. This is detachable cake pan. As you can see, my beautiful cake is ready, red cake, and I'll check with a toothpick whether the inside of this cake is done or not. Yes, it's done. See? So now I'll cut the cake. I'll be using this one to cut this cake. So first I'll transfer this. So now I will make my cake with these 3 portions and I'll be decorating it with whipped cream. Here I have made this whipped cream. You can buy this or you can make it at home. Layer of whipped cream, layer of cake, now the next layer of whipped cream, now we may decorate it with this small lovers. You will get this in any grocery store or in cake shop. These are made with sugar icing. Or you can just put strawberry on top. That also looks good. Red strawberry. So my beautiful Valentine cake is ready. Enjoy this with your friends and family, and they will really be very happy.